Most of you guys don't know how to solve the Rubik's Cube or just need a new refreshment. So, in this video, we are going to solve the Rubik's Cube. Today, we are going to be learning about the Fox method just because of its simplicity. A lot of world record holders also use this method and it's the perfect way of solving the Rubik's Cube for beginners. First of all, we'll solve the white cross. White cross is just like a plus sign, so first of all, we need to find white edges, for example this, and we need to get the white piece over here, and then as there's red, we shall get it to the red center, and there you have it. Already one piece solved. So as we have already finished this part, let's find another. For example, this orange white piece. First of all, as white is, this is flipped. As there's orange, let's give it to the orange center right here. And then, it, just get the white part to the white center. And there you have it. Another piece solved. So as already two pieces have been solved, let's do another piece. For example, this, what is it? Blue-white piece. So let's get the blue to the blue center and the white, of course, to the white. And here you go. Another piece solved. So as already three pieces are already done, there's only one piece left, which is the green-white piece. So as green is, going to with the green, let's just give it to the green. And there you have it. The whole white cross done. So as the white cross is done, now we'll go to the corners. So for example, this white, blue, red corner, we need to put it in the white, in between the white, blue, and red center. So here is it. I shall bring it. Then here, and here. And voila, another piece already done. You can also do as F12 pairs, meaning like, for example, these two pieces are already done. So for example, this white, green, and orange piece with the green orange piece, we can just put them together like this at first. But if a color matches like this, it means it is flipped. So we need to do this algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. But now we bring this edge right here, this corner to this because it now matches. Now bring this down and we now insert it to between the white, green, and orange center like this. And voila! Now this part is done. So as this one is done, now we will do this one. But if you didn't do the F12 pair, then we will put this. So first of all, we will check if this is flipped by putting this on the blue side at first, and then putting this corner up. You see, these two colors match, meaning if I corner twist this is flipped. So what we have to do is to put this on the red corner and see, now this can be solved. So we have to do that same thing again. Once, twice, and thrice. And then we insert it again like that. And now, as you know how to make an F12 pair, but there's also another trick. You see this flipped F12 pair? This is an F12 pair, but only this edge is flipped. So what we have to do? We have to do that same cycle twice again. So now as this one is finished, we need to get out the pieces and putting them back to where they belong. Just kidding. We need to insert them like this. So we just have one more F12 pair left, which is this one. And this is already kind of soft, just twisting this corner by this and inserting it. Just joking guys. So what we have to do is doing that same cycle until this matches. And insert it, and voila, already 2 layers done. Now we need to fix these two. With that, we will do OLL like this. There are many types of OLLs for the stuff and this and that, but I will show you guys those in another video. So now, where were we again? Yeah, as we finish the yellow cross, now we need to fix the corners, and these are like this. Yeah, I twisted a corner and it is now like this. So we need to fix the corners. We need to do it like this. And now OLL is done. For PLL, we need to first of all finish we need to solve the edges. We'll do the corners later on. First of all, you see this, what was it again? Yeah, blue yellow edge. We need to put it against right here. Now it's solved. Oh, all the edges are already solved. So I got lucky there, but now we have to arrange the corners with an AB perm. There's also an AA perm, but I will make them in a video. I'll show them in another video. So we will do it like this. And voila, you just solved your first Rubik's Cube. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and follow